Hello dear students, in this lesson we will study how to construct the angles with the help of the protractor. It is very easy. So first of all I will take a 30-degree angle. This is called as your protractor. With the help of this protractor I will tell you how you have to construct the angle. You know 30-degree is which type of angle? It is an acute angle. So the very first step it is there that you have to construct a straight, you have to construct a ray. Okay, with the help of the scale also you can construct, or with the help of the protractor also. Okay, now you will mark here like this, a point here. Okay, and this is the middle needle of the compass, or you can call it as the mark in your protractor. Okay, this mark, you will keep this mark here, and the line it should be straight. Okay, now here there are two scales. You can see here in the protractor there are two scales. One is starting, one it is a down one scale that is starting from here 0 degree, then 10, then 20, then 30. Okay, the second one scale it is starting from 180 and it is going in the decreasing order, 170, 160, 150, like this. Okay, so always you have to keep in mind, you have to select the down one scale. Okay, now see here in this protractor it is 90 degree. Okay, we know that 30-degree angle it is an acute angle, it means it should be less than 90 degree. Okay, so now see how to make it. This we will keep it like this straight. This middle, this part, it should be on your point where you have to construct the angle. Now you have to see here the down one scale. Okay, it is here 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree and 30 degree it is less than 90 degree, so we will move to this side where it is 30 degree. Here above it is 150. Okay, so we will point with the help of your pencil. You can point it here like this. Okay, now with the help of your scale or with the help of the protractor you have to draw the straight line from this point to a point here. Now this angle it becomes your 30 degree, and you can name it also. I have given it the name with the help of the capital letter A, B and C. Similarly, I will tell you how you have to make a 40-degree angle. Again 40 degree it is your acute angle. Okay, so it is in the same way you have to make a straight line like this. Okay, this you have made it a straight ray. Now here 40 degree it is less than 90 degree and it is an acute angle. This middle you have to keep it here at this point. Now keep it here and see where it is 40 degree. Here above it is 140 and mark the dot here, and now join both the dots and it becomes your angle as 40 degree. You can name it any name you can give, because in the question no name is given, so you can give your name. So it is X, Y and Z. I am giving its name as X, Y and Z. Okay, now the next I will tell you how you can make a 50-degree angle. Okay, now again same, and here I am giving its name as PQR. It is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, so here the name of the angle it is also given, that you have to construct an angle PQR as 50 degrees. So what is the first step? You will draw a straight ray like this. Mark here a dot and keep your protractor here like this straight. Okay, now again 50 degree it is an acute angle, so it will be less than your 90 degree. So we will move from here 90 less than, it is 50 and above it is 130 here. So we will put a dot here and join, and it becomes your angle as 50 degree. Since the name is also given PQR, so we will start naming it from here. P in the center, Q, and here it is R. Similarly, now we will make 90 degree angle. 90 degree, it is your right angle. So how to make it? First of all, steps are very easy. The first step, you have to draw a straight ray with the help of your protractor, or you can take the help of the scale. Then put a dot here, and then you will keep this center point here with the dot and see whether your line is straight. You cannot keep it like this. This is not straight. So this needle, from here, this point, you have to match whatever line you have drawn, it is straight or not. Okay, so like this you have to check it, and yes, it is straight. Now where it is 90 degree? At the top. So here you will put a dot. Okay, and now you will join it, and it becomes your angle 90 degree. This is very easy. Since no name is given, so I am giving it name as A, B and C. Similarly, you can construct your obtuse angles also. Obtuse angles, they are more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So I'll tell you how you can make 120 degree. 120 degree, it is your obtuse angle. Okay, the procedure, it is same. So first of all, what we will do, we will make a straight line. Okay, we will make a ray, and from here we will point it like this. Now we will keep our protractor like this. Okay, so 90 degree, I have already told you which scale we are using, down one scale. We cannot take 120 here. Above 60 it is 120, we cannot take this. Okay, as we are following the down scale, here in the middle it is 90, then 100, then 110, then 120. So here it will be 120 degree. We have put a dot here. Now we will join it, and it becomes our angle as 120 degree. No name is given, so we can give P, Q and R. Now it is 130 degree. Now same procedure, we will draw a straight line. Ray we have drawn. Here we will put a dot, and we will keep our protractor same. Again I am telling, it should be straight. You cannot keep it like this. See, it is wrong. You cannot keep it like this. It is wrong. Okay, so your line should match with the line of your protractor. So you have to match it. It should be straight. Now see, we are checking the down one scale. We cannot make 130 here above 50. Okay, because we are checking the down one scale. So here it is 90, 100, 110, 120, and here it is 130. We will put a dot and join them. So it becomes 130 degree. No name is given, so I am naming it as A, B and C. Now similarly, one more example, I will tell you how you can make a 100 degree angle. 100 degree, it is also an obtuse angle. So it's very easy. What's the very first step? That we have to draw a ray, and it should be straight. So with the help of the scale or with the help of the protractor, you can draw a ray and mark here a point. Okay, now keep it straight. Again and again I am telling that you have to match it, that your ray and the line of your protractor, it should be straight. If it is like this, it is wrong. It is like this. If it is a small tilted also, you can see both the lines are not matching. So your the measure it can be wrong. Okay, so it has to be straight like this. Fine. So now we are checking the down one scale. From 0 we have started. From here it is 90 degree, and after 90 down here it is 100, and above it is written 80. Okay, so we will put a dot here. Sorry, again. So here the dot is there, so we will now join, and it becomes our angle 100 degrees. It is, no name is given, so I am naming it as X, Y and Z. Thank you.